Alright, today what we're going to do is finally take off the front cover and the valve cover. We're going to actually start with the valve cover up on top. Then we'll take off the front case. I still haven't received the Honda bond, but I swear it's coming. It's going to be here any freaking day now. It says it's in Fresno. It's been in Fresno since the 3rd. It's already the 10th. I don't know what the hell's going on, but I feel like going over there and picking it up myself. But it should get here any freaking day now. I swear it's gonna get here. But for now, go ahead and take this off. Start off by removing the dipstick, and it has that much oil. Not really. It has nothing in there. Or does it? You know what? To be honest, I don't know. We were leaking a lot of oil. But on a side note, I polished the water pump. Woo, that sucker's clean. Look at how clean that looks. The whole freaking setup. Super shiny. Yeah. So anyways, let's go ahead and start with the valve cover. I really don't know if there's oil in there or not. Jesus. Maybe I should pop that one open. First, let's do the valve cover before we start jumping around everywhere, like always. Just go ahead and loosen all these up. All of them up. Alright. You know what, since we're at it, let's go ahead and crack these loose as well. And we'll get the bottom ones right now. Let's get the bottom ones already. Alright. Just go ahead and remove these by hand. And let me grab my Ziploc baggie to put these in there so I don't lose them. Alright, I'm going to use this trim tool removal to pop these out of here. There it is. Just reach underneath it and pull them up. Oil. Might be oil in here. There just might be some oil in here, to be honest. Well, I don't know. Well, there it is. I was going to say it hasn't been leaking, but I had it tilted the other way. Now I just tilted it this way. Anyways, let me go ahead and finish removing all these from here. And then we'll take off the valve cover off. Come on. This is one of those things that I'm probably going to need both hands. Yeah. Alright, and let's see what she looks like inside. Probably going to need both hands to lift this off. Alright, and there she is. She is looking pretty clean. It's oil. What can you do? Prep you for spray. Let's have a look in here. Put up our light. Looks good. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? Looks like maybe someone serviced this or something. Because they have the timing line, timing lines marked up, the timing marks. They fucking left a rag in here, bro. Whatever the fuck that is, let's go ahead and fish it out. I don't know what the heck that is. think it's a paper towel. If you can focus, there it is. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think it's a paper towel. Bastards. Let's see what else we find in here. Hopefully nothing else. Shit. Cams look good. Let's check. We would have to be top dead center. Well, actually, as long as the lobes ain't touching it. Have my filter gauges here. This is the intake. Let's turn this light back on and see what's up. I don't think it's top dead center, but I know the lobes ain't touching. Oh, there we go, actually. Let me see. This one's pretty hard. That one could use some tightening. Lobes are touching on this one. This one feels pretty good. Here's the exhaust. Let's see which ones. Lobes touching, lobes not touching. That's pretty good. Lobes not touching. That one's pretty tight. Godly. But then again, I don't know if I'm at top dead center or not. This one. Damn. I think these exhausts are too tight. Damn. Right now would be perfect time to do valve adjustment, but for now I think what I'll do is I'll do that before I seal up the case. Right now I'm just going to take off the front case and prep all this area, clean it all out, clean all this Honda bond that's on the corners. That's what I'm gonna do. Put Honda bond in all these corners so that we have no leaks or anything. So yeah, so I'll start removing this now. I'm gonna leave this here because I'm gonna prep that for paint. And yeah, let's take off the front cover. Alright, so all the bolts are off. I'm gonna go ahead and break this loose. Oof, that sucker is in there. Good, good, good. That Honda bond is really good. Let me go ahead and tug this real quick. Alright, and here it is. Take this off nice and carefully. Sweet. Oh, that seal stayed behind. It's perfect because we're actually going to replace that seal. And this main seal as well. Smells a little burnt, but I guess it should be okay. So we'll just set this to the side for now. Let's see what we have in here. Where's my flashlight? Looks like it's empty on oil. Let's look at all this here. Chain looks good. Tensioner looks good. Oil pump looks good. Sweet. Now we'll just clean all this gunk off with a razor blade. Get it nice and prepped so when we get the Honda Bond, we're able to assemble this back together. Alright, there I have the surface nice and clean all the way around. Honda Bond is gone. Everything is nice and smooth. Ready to be installed with the new Honda Bond and valve cover gasket. But what we're going to do is we have to prep this one next. We're going to paint the valve cover. So I'm going to go ahead and prep the valve cover for paint right now. Alright, there it is, nice and prepped. I'm going to hit it with some primer first, then some wrinkle red high temperature paint. So we'll take it outside and see what's up. Alright, we're going to hit it with the primer first. Just nice even coats all over the case. Alright, should be good. Don't want to hit it with too much primer. There it is, nice and primered. Now we're just going to wait for it to dry up. Then we'll hit it with the wrinkle paint. Alright, we're going to hit it with the wrinkle paint now. Small, nice layers. Alright, and to see how it's going to come out, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.